McPherson from the agency, and I'm just outside my latest listing situated in the Yeppoon CBD. I cannot wait to show you through this one, and the value on offer is superb. Let's check it out. Property is absolutely as neat as a pin with a recently renovated bathroom, but my favourite thing has to be the $1 million view without the price tag. So guys, there you have it for unit number 56 of 4 Adelaide Street in the heart of Yeppoon. If you'd like to know more about this affordable opportunity to purchase your piece of paradise on the Capricorn coast, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.